welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Today I finally have my Ipsy Ultimate for February. It's only, March, and I got it after choice and after, add-ons and all of that, and I already know, like, my March box is already shipped. But I wanted to go over it with you and kind of show you what I got. There was some issues and I'm going to talk about those as well. This is this month's bag. It is a nice quilted, very soft. It's not really structured at all. Like some of them are a lot more structured. This one is not, but it is really soft and pretty. I really do like that. I'm excited to have that as a makeup bag. Now, I got my box. This was a replacement one. I already knew that I would not be getting all 12 of my items. There's supposed to be 8 full size and 4 sample size in your Ipsy Ultimate for $50 a month. Super expensive. So I knew that I was only going to have 11 items and that the Makeup Geek palette that I had chosen and the reason I wanted this box would not be in it. So I got it and I only had 10 products. So I contacted them again and they said, oh yeah, you should have had 11. So I have another mystery item being sent to me. And I also, there was one thing that they substituted that I was like, hey, I bought this as an add-on already. I don't want 2 of it. So they are sending me that original item that I was supposed to have. We'll see when they come. I'll show you those in like my March haul because at this point I don't want to wait any longer for this stupid box. And I don't have a card for this box either because this was a box of random things. Some of what was on my Ipsy site and some of that was, which was not. All right, so the first thing, this was not on my list. And this is Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. And it does have a seal, so I'm not going to try to take it off. It is pretty small. It's a 3 ounce, but it doesn't really feel like it feels pretty malleable, which I'm not used to with a tube. So that's the first item. I don't know what the price of that was because it wasn't even listed on Ipsy anywhere. Most of the other ones I did write down prices for. Like this one, this is Feel Harmony. This was supposed to be in my box. This retails for $55, which is kind of ridiculous if you ask me. I don't really buy $50 masks a lot of the time, especially like, I don't know what the type of a mask this is supposed to be. Like Peter Thomas Roth, Irish Morbid, my favorite mask. Yes, I will buy that, but not this. I'm leaving this seal on it. It looks kind of gross, not gonna lie. So yeah, eventually I will work my way through that one. Then this is the next thing. I already talked about this in my regular Ipsy. This is the Touch and Soul Soul Velvet lipstick in the shade Soul Rose. It's gorgeous. I love it. That's why I ordered it as an add-on. I'm not going to swatch it though. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway or pass it along to a friend because it is really pretty and I do think it's nice. I just didn't need 2 of it. Not for this month anyway. All right, the next thing is a set of brushes. These are supposed to retail for, oh, and that lipstick retails for $16, I know that, but I was supposed to have the Folly Fire lipstick and it's coming, it'll eventually be here. These, I don't know how much they are supposed to be. I thought these were on my list, but I don't have them written down. So, oh, brushes, $60, there they are. They're over on the side. So there are 6 or 5 brushes in this set. There is a nice fluffy blender brush. Then there's an eye crease, which is nice. I like that shape. I use that quite a bit. Shadow, this is another one that I will definitely use. These are Shayna B. Never heard of this brand. Then there's a concealer brush. The handles, they have an interesting sound to them. I've noticed as they're going. And then a smudge brush. So got those. Don't fall. And then the next thing in here is from Tokyo Milk. This is a jasmine, salted grapefruit, honeysuckle, and sandalwood hand cream. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It says Tokyo Milk on the side. I've never tried anything from them. It does have like a little box that's supposed to be glued. I don't know if you can see the glue. Not glued to it. I probably will keep this box because it's so pretty. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I have some hand creams that I'm already working through right now, but pretty soon I will be pulling this one out because I will be definitely that will be a good use. That retails for $22, which is quite a bit. Then we have the Playa New Day Mist 3-in-1 Style Mist or Refresh. This is for your hair. Oh, that's interesting. It's one of those double caps, like Urban Decay setting spray. They have the double caps on it too. This retails for $24. I will be interested to try this because this is not a product that I have anything like in my collection. And the smell is okay. It's not great. Probably not something that I would seek out to purchase myself. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is my 6th item that's full, 7th item. I think the Pure Release is counted as a full size. I'm not really sure at this. Yeah, it must be counted as a full size at this point. So I think that was replacing a set of sheet masks that I was supposed to be getting. I was supposed to get a set of 3 sheet masks. I was supposed to get a coffee cleanser, a sample size, and then the Folly Fire lipstick. And I know this replaced the Folly Fire lipstick. And I think the body scrub replaced my sheet masks, but I still need something for that coffee cleanser scrub thing. All right, last thing in here is a rose quartz roller from Grace and Stella. This is super heavy. This is much heavier than the one that we got in Macy's in January. So yeah, I'll probably use this. It's pretty. I like the shades of it. I like this better than Jade just because, you know, I'm a pink girl. I love pink. That retails for $29. Then we have these sample size items. This first one I'm going to pass along. This is the Polar Lip Balm, the genuine Lapland cream. And when I read that, I was a little nervous because I am allergic to lanolin. It has the opposite reaction to my skin, on my skin, that it's supposed to. So I am going to pass this along because I know other people who will really like it and they won't have a bad reaction to it like I would. Then the next thing I have is the Tula Skincare. It's the Cult Classic Cleanser. I just actually used one of these not too long ago, so I will gladly use this one as well. It's a pretty good cleanser. It does get around, so I did end up getting it in my mouth quite a few times, which doesn't usually happen with cleansers. It just seemed to be more liquidy than others, I guess. And then my last thing is a Yvette coconut water cream, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to pass this one along because I have found that coconut things have been breaking me out. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. Like, I love coconut milk, like drinking coconut milk, but putting coconut on my skin, I don't know if there's a difference between like coconut water and if there's other forms of coconut as well. But I don't want to risk it anymore because I have had so many issues over the past couple years. So I'm just going to pass that one along. All right, so this box in total, this is my replacement box, keeping in mind that I have 2 items that are still on their way. I'm really disappointed that they did not send me the palette, that they couldn't send me that. They did issue me a $5 refund, which I get, but it's kind of disappointing because that's the thing that I wanted. And then it's also disappointing that they weren't able to get me the things that were actually supposed to be on my like customized, because they're supposed to be customized, right? That's the cool thing about Ipsy, is everything is customized. This is kind of nice. Am I super excited about this? No, because it's not really something I had on my radar at all, but I'll try to incorporate it into my routine and see what happens with that. The hand cream I'm very excited about. I think this is super nice. So this one is good. I will always take brushes. I love brushes. I have way too many brushes. I don't need any more, but I will still take these and use them because I do like brushes. The mask, I'm not super excited about the mask, but I don't think it's bad by any means. It's just, you know, not super exciting to me. Then we have the New Day Mist. Not super excited about that, but I am very picky about my hair care, so that's not really something that I normally would gravitate towards. This Purely Scrub, okay. I'm not sure how good it will be, but we'll give it a try and we'll talk about it later on. And then the Cult Classic Cleanser. It's a good solid cleanser. Now, the 3 items that I'm passing along. This, I think this is a great product. I would be really excited to get this if I hadn't already purchased it as an add-on. And then these 2, I would probably be all right with, but since I know that both of them cause reactions, or this one for sure would cause reaction, this one I'm not so sure. I just am not super excited about them. It's a little bit of a letdown. I'm hoping that my March box will be better, and I'm hoping that it will actually come. I think tracking has already like processed, so fingers crossed on that. I'm gonna go double check that after I finish filming this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this box, what your experiences with Ipsy have been in the past. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.